Every great woodworking project starts with one thing: accurate measurements. Because one tiny mistake can ruin an entire piece of furniture. But here's the question. Should you trust manual measuring tools or switch to digital measuring devices? One has been used for generations. The other promises speed and perfect precision. So, which one is actually better? Today, we're putting manual measuring and digital measuring head to head to find out. Let's get started. First, what is manual measuring? Manual measuring uses traditional tools like tape measures, steel rulers, combination squares, marking gauges, and calipers. These tools don't need batteries, software, or charging. They've been trusted by woodworkers for centuries. Now, digital measuring. Digital tools include laser distance meters, digital calipers, digital angle finders, and electronic measuring devices. They display measurements instantly, often with incredible precision. Now let's compare accuracy. Surprisingly, both can be extremely accurate. A high-quality tape measure or combination square can deliver excellent results. Digital tools often display measurements down to fractions of a millimeter, making them ideal for precision work. However, they're only accurate if properly calibrated. Next, speed. This round goes to digital. Need to measure a long room? A laser distance meter does it in seconds. Digital calipers instantly display exact measurements, without reading tiny markings. Manual tools take a little more time, especially for repeated measurements. Now, ease of use. Digital tools are beginner-friendly. Simply point, press a button, and read the screen. Manual measuring requires learning how to read scales accurately, especially with rulers and calipers. Experience makes a huge difference. Let's compare reliability. Manual tools never need charging. They don't freeze, crash, or lose battery. A tape measure still works, even after years in a dusty workshop. Digital tools depend on batteries and electronics. When the battery dies, so does the tool. Now, durability. A quality steel ruler or combination square can last decades. Many woodworkers still use measuring tools passed down through generations. Digital tools are durable, but electronic components are more sensitive to moisture, drops, and extreme temperatures. Let's talk about cost. Manual measuring tools are usually much more affordable. A tape measure, square, and ruler can cost less than one digital measuring device. Digital tools cost more, but they save time, especially on large projects. Now, best uses. Manual tools are perfect for furniture making, joinery, layout work, and everyday workshop tasks. Digital tools excel when measuring large spaces, checking exact dimensions, or working on precision projects. So, which one wins? If your priority is reliability, simplicity, and long-term durability, manual measuring tools are hard to beat. If you value speed, instant readings, and advanced precision, digital measuring tools are the clear winner. The truth is, most professional woodworkers use both. They rely on manual tools for everyday layout, and digital tools when speed and precision really matter. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which would you rather use? Manual measuring, or digital measuring? Tell us your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking buying guides, tool comparisons, workshop upgrades, and practical woodworking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.